Gusto niyo bang matuto kung paano ko ginawa yung aking cookies, guys? This is a peanut butter cookies. As you can see, guys. Oh, Jesus. Ang lalaki. Okay, tara. Gawa na tayo. Hello everyone, welcome sa aking kusina. For today's video, we will make peanut butter cookies para sa kape sa umaga. So here is our ingredients for the day. Here is our ingredients for the day. First, we have our 4 eggs here. So gagawin natin, kasi may mixer na natin yung ating egg. Ito na siya. So, i-add natin yung ating milk. So, here is our milk, guys. Fresh ito milk from cow. So, mag-add tayo ng 4. Alright. 4 cups of sugar. Then, i-mix lang natin siya. I-mix lang natin ng i-mix. Hanggang ma-dissolve yung ating sugar. And we will add vanilla. 2. Now we have our 2 cups of mix lang natin. And mag-start na tayo sa ating flour. So we have our 10 cups of flour here. So slowly lang natin siya i-dissolve sa ating. Ayan. And we have our 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. So pagsamahin na natin yan dyan. Okay, dissolve muna natin yung ating powder bago natin ilagay yung ating butter. Ayan. Now, i-add natin yung ating 1 cup na raisin. So, I have 2 pounds of butter dito. Lang tayo ng 1 pound. So, half lang yung gagawin natin dito. Ayan, kasi medyo ayan, by scoop yung gagawin natin. Alright, so ayan na siya, guys. 1 pound lang yung nilagay natin. So, ang gagawin ko muna kasi medyo hard yung ating butter. Kailangan natin ano siya, dudurugin natin. Ayan, ganyan lang siya para dissolve sa ating flour. Ang gagawin natin, i-mix lang natin siya sa ating dough. Ganyan. Diba? Ganyan lang siya. Okay, so this is just right about our consistency on our dough. So we will start now. So I have my molder here. So here this is. Ayan, so lalaki lang natin yun. Actually, this is for the burger. But this is most likely I gonna use for my cookies. Nakakatuwa lang kasi siya, guys, dahil malaki. So, we will start our this is our first load. Ganyan siya kalalaki, guys. I most likely using like this one. I like the big cookies, so we will start to bake now. So we will bake this one At least 20 to 25 minutes. We shall see. Ayan. So, lagay na natin siya. Balikan natin siya ng 25 minutes. So, here is our next batch. Hantayin natin after 25 minutes. Ito naman yung susunod natin na salang. Alright guys, ito na yung ating peanut butter cookies guys. Ayan na siya. Ang dami, lalaki diba? Sobrang laki. Ayan o, makapal. Ganyan ako pag nag-loto ng cookies. Gusto ko yung malalaki. So, nauubos ko yung, minsan pagka gutom na gutom ako, ayan, nauubos ko yung isa. Minsan pagka hindi. O, yan. So, may natutunan na naman kayo sa akin, guys. Ayun. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And don't forget to like and share our videos.